Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking to elevate your next cocktail, you need to check out this authentic tonic syrup from Small Hand Foods. Some of my favorite cocktails to make are gin and tonics and vodka and tonics, and so I was so excited to try this tonic syrup because it is an all-natural recipe. This is the real deal. They use a house-made gentian extract with finely cut cinchona bark with spices, and it just makes this really beautiful, earthy, amber-colored tonic syrup. Now, you may be used to getting the clear stuff in a bottle or can from the store, and it has a really sharp kind of bite to it. You'll be pleasantly surprised with how smooth this is, with just a touch of that kind of quinine taste that you get from commercially made tonics. I really enjoyed the hints of lemon, orange, and cinnamon spice that is in this tonic. It's not overpowering, and it's just just a hint of it that really brings a really huge depth of flavor. Now, we have a soda stream at home, so we make our own sparkling water, and we added that to this to make some vodka tonics at home, and it just came out so flavorful and yummy. It was an absolute delight to drink. We made cocktails at a friend's house, and they all agreed that this was the best tasting tonic they had ever had. We have totally up-leveled with this tonic syrup from Small Hand Foods. It has no additives and it tastes amazing. We really have enjoyed it, as you can see, because there's hardly anything left in the bottle. And that's my point of view.